Hello guys, so my 2002 Honda Accord is not starting. All of a sudden it just stopped. It couldn't start, so we're gonna diagnose what the problem is. So I have the key in the ignition, and when I turn it, there's nothing completely showing. Possibly it might be the battery. So let's figure out and see whether it's the battery or it's the alternator. So I got a multimeter, and I'm going to use that to check and see if I can get some voltage out of the battery and see if it has enough volts. So I'm going to connect terminals and see if there's any reading. So as you can see, it's saying 26.5. It might be the amperage that is messed up, but we'll do further tests and see what is going to come up. So I realized that the terminal was messed up. It wasn't having good contact, so I'm going to change it to see what happens afterwards. So I got the new one installed, but I'm going to clean my terminal with this terminal cleaner and then clean the battery. So stay put. So I got everything cleaned up, and I'm going to connect the batteries and see what happens. So we got a terminal on, and we're going to try it and see if it's going to start. And there we go. So the problem was the terminal. So if it's the alternator, let's see what happens. If it's the alternator, we're going to take one of the terminal out and see if the car will still be running. So I removed the terminal, and as you can see, the car is still running with the terminal out. So that tells you that the alternator is working all right. The problem was the battery terminal. So it's an easy fix. So don't complicate things, just start with the battery when that happens, and make sure its terminals are clean and everything is good before you proceed to more complex diagnostics. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye.